There's 5 ways that your Florida personal injury claim can be sabotaged. Hi, I'm Dave Glatthorn. I'm an attorney in West Palm Beach representing injured people. And these are basic things to watch out for because they can seriously undermine your case. The first one is this: not seeking medical help immediately. Natural inclination, a lot of times you're sore, you're banged up, but we're all taught not to be babies, not to be whiners, and you think maybe this will go away. So a couple days go by, it doesn't go away, then you hit the weekend, you can't see a doctor, now all of a sudden you're a week down the road and you still haven't seen a doctor. Go seek medical attention immediately. Get checked out. There's no downside to that. The second way that people sabotage their own cases in Florida is going to a doctor and not giving that doctor a complete history as to their prior injuries, that is, injuries they've had before, or conditions that they have. And the reason why that's important is because the insurance companies will take that lack of information and try and make it look like you're either keeping information from your doctor or lying about your prior injuries. And it's perfectly okay to tell the doctor everything. In fact, it's essential to let the doctor have all the information so that he can say, yeah, I knew about that 5-year-old accident. She completely recovered. She had no treatment since then. It's not important at all. The third way that you can sabotage your case in Florida is not telling the doctor all your symptoms. Now, it's inevitable in this day and age that doctors are rushed for time, and a lot of times they would just want to focus on the chief complaint that you have that day. But accidents can cause multiple injuries, and sometimes they can cause symptoms that start gradual and become worse. A perfect example is you can herniate a disc in your neck, for example, and have a sore neck, and then gradually you start getting symptoms down into your fingers. And maybe it's just like, feels like ants biting you or a little tingling or things like that, and you kind of brush it off, try and brush it off. Don't brush it off. Tell the doctor every symptom that you're having. If it goes away, there's no harm done. But if it doesn't go away and it gets worse, then it's documented that you had those problems right from the start, so the insurance company can't claim, hey, he made it up later. The fourth way you can sabotage your claim in Florida is not being consistent in seeking medical follow-up care. Now, I'm like anybody else. Nobody likes to go to the doctor. Nobody likes to go to the waiting room. Nobody likes to do any of this stuff. But the fact of the matter is you must document that you're still having these problems. Even if you don't want to take any more pain pills and you're tired of feeling bad, you need to go and document that you're still having these problems. And the final way that you can sabotage your own case in Florida is by exaggerating. Now, we all have a tendency in normal conversation, I guess, to talk to our friends in such a fashion that we would just say, yeah, I feel terrible, I can't get out of bed, whatever. And that's not completely true, but what you're doing is you're just trying to emphasize to your friend the severity of your condition. You don't want to do that, because in any situation where you're dealing with an insurance company and you're giving testimony, it's not a conversation. It's an interrogation. And the insurance company will use any kind of what they perceive as exaggeration against you. So those are the 5 ways. And the reason why you're watching this video is because you have questions. Call me. We handle these cases every day. We have the solutions for you. And go to davidglatthorn.com, where we have a lot more content, a lot more video, things that can help you make the right decisions. I'm Dave Glatthorn. Thank you for watching this video.